Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out the video. Today I'm taking the WRX to its first official car show of the year. A couple weeks ago I went to a car meet that was thousands of cars. It was awesome. I wish I would have filmed it, but now we're going just to this car meet. So I washed the car last night to try and get all the pollen off, and I already see pollen on the car again. It's just that time of year. So gotta take it to the show. Gonna meet up with Chris and Tyler, and then I'm gonna wash this thing off and head up to the show. Man, I'll tell you what, being in Pennsylvania, the weather can be terrible. And today, I've never seen perfect weather like this for a car show. It is 78 degrees right now, and it's just perfect outside for a car show. Super excited.